What's up? Let me see if you guys are on here. Yep. Wife in here a little bit ago. All right, there's 26 of you guys on here already. Beautiful, beautiful. Wish I can get this on my phone so I could hear how loud the audio is. There we go. It won't let me play it. What the heck? Oh, well, you guys could let me know. I'm going to go ahead and I'm trying to pull up the live thing here real quick, and then we'll get started. Hopefully you guys had an amazing weekend. Who all took that trade last night? I haven't even seen your the live messages yet because I got to pull that up. Studio mode? No, I can't see it in that. I always forget how I pull it up. I'm just going to do it like this. There you go. What's up, Brian? What's up, Steve? How you doing, man? Didn't see it till this morning. Nice, man. It's good to take a break, I'm sure. Hear how loud this is. It's good to take a break, I'm sure. Can you guys hear my background audio at all? Yeah, I just got done running. All right, well, let's look at the market. I can't figure out how to open up. Hold on one second. You know what? Live control room. How was your guys' weekend? Most done, guys. I'm just looking for how to get in the control room so I can see you guys. It's driving me crazy. Here we are. Found it. Oh, that was annoying. All right, cool. I'm gonna put you guys right there. There you are. All right, cool. I was snoozing barely. No background music, huh? Can you hear it now? Did you hear it? Okay. Is it loud or is it too loud or is it good? I don't know. Thank you. I'm almost done. I could set up. It's getting a little bit faster. Go ahead and share this out to everybody. We're waiting anyways for a trade here. What did we take last night? Remember that? Beautiful trade setup. Of course, it's not on here. right around in here. A little too loud? Okay. I'll put it down like that. Let me know if that's good. As loud as my voice? Okay. I don't know what that song is. Give me a second. Je vois des vies parfaites, des sourires retouchés, on dirait que tout le monde sait comment. Let's look while I'm setting this up. Let's see if we can find something. All right. Took a big trade last night. It was pretty awesome. And right now we just broke structure to the left right here. Let's see. We're up in a 1 hour block at this current moment. Right here. We could actually take it a little higher. Might as well take it to this. And I'm going to mark that up. What all did you guys do this weekend? Right here. Okay, so this is our playing field. I don't have to worry about anything else. I'm looking for sells out of this block. Potentially, if it's a breaking yet. And then it is. All right, so we have a 5-minute break structure right here. Now, this is where you have to kind of be careful because this only wicked out this high. So I'd much rather see this be taken. Because at least we had high, low, and then you could kind of put this in the same category as one high. This area right here. Even though this was a higher high, but it was with a wick, right? So I'm just being a little bit more careful with this. I'd like to see this be taken out. Essentially, we could buy probably out of this because it's probably just liquidating this. So we could buy until we can't buy anymore. Right there. It is building this liquidity up. Right there. It's crazy. That goes back and forth. What account should I trade this week? I would have taken this right here, with this fair value gap. But we weren't here yet. It's at 10:30 a.m. I'm sorry, that's not 10:30 a.m. Hold on. It was actually right here. Right at noon, this would have been a perfect trade. Sell, stop up here, sell down. Nice and slow right now. Happy Monday, Christina. How are you? What's up, Smitty? Smitty moving right along. Good job, man. I'm still waiting on Top Step.
I need background music for my YouTube.
Let me check and see if they got it yet. That and Tradeify.
Background music for my YouTube live video.
That's funny. On YouTube. Hold up. All right, guys. So let's look here what we could do. I was thinking about getting in on a close above. Oh, right here. I think I have an alpha, actually, now that I remember. Yeah, I'd be getting in right here. With this? What was it? Well, on this close, I'd be getting in right now. So just so you know that. I'm going to take this on my other account. If it closes. That is a 20, let's call it a 25-point stop. $10. 10 contract, 10 micro. Could take it on the 1 minute close just to get a little bit better. The other option is waiting for it to fill this fair value gap down here and then enter. That's potential. But I want to see it better than a close. Like it needed to be a strong push close, right? To potentially come after this. That's good enough for me. So I just entered that one on my other account. Let's see here. I would have entered right here, just so you know. I got to load up my account on here. Well, let's rock it up. I don't really want to trade alpha. I'm trying to think which one I should trade today. You guys tell me which account should I get and try to pass today or this week. Yo, Smitty. Paul Anthony, good morning. How you doing? Christina Walker made it on the last flight out of Orlando back home before the ice storm. Wish I was still in Florida weather. Hey, that's awesome. Glad you were able to get home. Let's get it, Dan. Let's get it. I'm gonna order a drink. Let's see. A coffee, just so we're clear. Lots of people getting payouts now. This is pretty awesome. Of course, they don't have my order that I normally get. Ready to get my first payout. I need to get with your program. Yeah, man. Robert Pellegrin, we're working on homework. Beautiful, Robert. Good job, buddy. Yeah, way to take action over the weekend, guys. All the one-on-one people. That's really awesome, actually. I'm so irritated. I'd like order this coffee every single day and they didn't save my order. So I gotta like figure out how to do it again. Let's see. I don't want all this sugary crap they try to give me. Cafe. Cold brew, there it is. Wow, that was difficult, wasn't it? Trenta. All right, we broke through one structure. Broke through one, broke through two, actually. I didn't mean to put it like that, but that works. So those are kind of holding us up, but we do have this fair value gap right here that will fill. I was kind of hoping it would take all this liquidity out, then dump. Took on the 3-minute. All right, we got a fair value gap here. We'll see what it does on this fair value gap. See if we can push off of that. If it inverts this, I'll probably get out. Simple, easy way to manage the trade right there. Cloud flip. Yeah, we want to look for, so this one failed apparently. Did we hit the VWAP? Oh, we didn't even hit the VWAP, bro. So it's just an A. It's not an A plus, it's an A. So just got to be a little bit more careful with those, but this one would have been tagged out. 1.9 after that, though. Cloud flip in our favor is always good, though, right? Right, Adrian? You know, you can't cheat your job. You know, you can't cheat the system at your job. You can't like manufacture time and just fake time. You know, just so don't cheat yourself in your trading. You know. Accidentally booted the wrong guy out last night. I thought he was the scammer, but he was trying to scam somebody else. Adrian Conzenary. I gotta get back with him. Let's see. Feel bad. Adrian. Unban. There we go. Come on, baby. 1-to-1 would be right there without even having to break the high. Right. I grabbed profit on my top step only because it doesn't have to take these highs. It very well could, but I'd much rather it just hopefully mitigate. It's kind of like last night. So I was talking to my son. He actually held it and he didn't lose money, but I was talking to my son last night. I'm like, well, there's some times where you need to like just pull it early because you don't know if it's going to break past this block, you know, because it did break this structure. If we go to the 5-minute, it did break this structure with a strong solid, but it just depends on if this high is going to be a real high, you know, because now, if this would have closed solid above this wick, I'd have been more interested in just sells and not even maybe take this. But because, you know, it could play off this block is what I'm trying to say. I'm not saying it's going to, I'm just saying it could. So because there's that opportunity, I might as well just grab this as a B setup. And now I'm looking for potential sells from here. So at any moment, I'm looking for a sell, preferably a fair value gap. That's a little too aggressive for me. Oh, so I just not saw your question, Stacy. So hopefully I explained that good for you. I didn't even see that you asked that question. So I am looking for sells. I'm overall sell biased, but I took a B setup 1-to-1 real quick on the way back up. And now it looks like we're wicking this out. Now, like I was trying to say, I always go up to the 5-minute to look for my structure breaks because it kind of gets rid of a lot of the noise. And because this came up, let me show it like this. We had, you know, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But yes, this was a higher high, but it was with a wick higher high. So this whole area could be kind of like one high, technically. I mean, not technically, it's just less, it's not as solid for me. So because of that, if this was a strong solid and then this closed solid, I'd be like, yeah, let's look for sells 100%. I am still looking for sells because we're in a 1 hour block right here, right? With that said, down here, gotta put this over here. This is the area, that's why I have this one marked up. This one was a solid. As you can see, we had higher high, higher low, higher high. This solid closed above here. So if this was one high, technically, because of wicks, then this would be the low that needs to break for 100% sells, okay? That's when I have A+ setups. So I'm gonna look on 3 minutes, see if we get it inverted. We have a fair value gap right here. We did take some liquidity. Perfect, that's what we want to see. Already took that by a hair. Use a 22-point stop. I'm getting this ready on my other account. Guys, tell me which account I should trade today. I'm not doing an Apex. So 12 micros down if it closes below there. I'm gonna grab my laptop so I can take some Forex trades at the same time. Be right back, guys. Here we go. Oh, I gotta see it close though on 3 minute. I would take a 1 minute close under here. One that pays, yeah. Guys, hit that like button for me. Hopefully we're winning today. We already won one. Who all profited on that? Let's get the roll call going. I'm trying to wake up here. Great start to the week. Plus 350 for Eddie, my man. Krishna won. That's awesome, bro. Hey, it's not a loser, right? Beautiful. Three, two, one. Okay, it did create it. But what I'm gonna do, I'll enter right here on this if it comes up here. Screw it, I'm in. I got in. A little delayed, it was about right there. 22 points. Come on, let's run these lows. Plus 600 for Brad. 200 for my phone while stuck in traffic. Let's go, Tim. Gotta get below here. Need to get below here. Wow, dude, I ordered Starbucks like 10 minutes ago. It's already like being put at my door. How do they even make it and get it here that quick? That's crazy. Yeah, we should be good now. That's so quick. I'm gonna go grab my Starbucks. That's crazy. Yeah, I can, Aaron. Let's see. What's up, Aaron? How you doing, buddy? Yep, just a small one. Beautiful. Smitty, 695, 500 away from being funded again, brother. Dude, that's so exciting, man. That's so exciting to hear that. Let's go, Smitty. Hey, let's chill out, slow down. Let's wait for the best setups, right? Right? Best setups, not the just okay setups. Let's just wait for the best and finish strong. So why I got in this trade was there was a 3-minute. All right, so we're up in a 1-hour order block, right? So rule number 1 is we're looking for sells essentially overall. Number 2, we close underneath a fair value gap. So right here was a fair value gap. We closed on the 3-minute underneath this. So essentially right here I could have got in. I'm just being a little bit extra careful. And then on the 1 minute, I was like, you know what? We close underneath the 1 minute fair value gap. We have this low right here. If we can get below this low, we're really good. So I was willing to take a shot at it. Close under fair value gap, 1 hour block, sells, and we want to run these lows, essentially. Hopefully that helped. This music buns. I've given up. I'm just putting background music on. I don't care. Absolutely, Krishna. Wow, what a great trade. We're already sitting at a 1-to-1, guys. If you can get past these fair value gaps, it's coming for at least 50% of this block, right? If it comes for that, that's a 2.42. I should say should come for at least that. I'll explain it again. Steven, how you doing, buddy? Steve Gray. So we have 1 hour block here. 3-minute fair value gap. Right. We also had a break. I didn't really love this break because it wicked this high. We had a close below here on the 5, right? Signaling it's probably going down. I got in with 24 micros. You're welcome. I didn't even comment about it today. What? What do you mean, Christine? Let's push down. I got in my Forex trade too, so I'm hoping this rides this whole thing. On Forex, I hold it longer. I put my stop up here and I'll hold it down. Music? Is it horrible? I don't know, I'm just doing random non-copyright YouTube music. It's in the background. Is it overpowering my voice? Okay, good. It's intense, like this trade. This slow motion trade. We're fighting for these lows is what we're doing, Krishna. Come on, baby. Keep it coming. I need to have something on my screen. All right. Guys, please. Alright, just tell me which one to get. A flux? Is that what those were? I'll just buy a flux. I've been... Either that or a Tradeify. No, what's the fastest payout ones? I need some faster payouts end of day. Let me see. The flip happened? Uh-oh. We could go for it. On close, we could do 10-minute or 10-point. That'd be fun. Alright. I'm entering another position for 10-point just to do my pulse X. We'll see if it'll run. Probably not the smartest idea, but I like to do stupid things sometimes. I'll get out of that real quick up here. Just light risk, nothing huge. Literally like $100. I'm in this Forex trade, Nasdaq, Nas 100. Nas is still my baby. Speaking of, I want to check some major pairs real quick. I just put an alert here and alert here. Bear with me. Wow. I never thought about doing Forex pairs with this, with the, wow, that's really good. Alright, anyways, 1 hour. Let me just check GBP USD real quick. Oh, this would have been perfect right here. Look at that. Fair value gap close. Boom. Oh, that is gorgeous. 1 second. Yeah, it's probably... I mean, even if it just came to this block. Easy trades, guys. Easy trades. He's doing the same thing. Definitely buys on USD CAD. Building liquidity. Five-minute block. Break structure. Hola, Uncle Sol. I am late. I came from work. What's up? What's up, Edward? Edward, how you doing, man? Let's see. Flip one bar ago. Beautiful. Alright, let's go back. I haven't heard an alert yet, so might not be doing too bad. Still playing a little bit of games right here. I like that this wicked this instead of closing yet. It still could come up to this fair value gap right here. No worries. Took on 3. So if it closed above this, I'd be a little concerned maybe to get out. But other than that, like, it would need to close on the 3 up. We were all wondering where you were. That's amazing. After all, earnings are going to keep market from dropping much, in my opinion. Yeah, it doesn't need to drop a lot, you know? Like, I'm not really going for massive sells right now. But, you know, you could still hit 1 to 5, 1 to 10s, even in a bullish market, like sells. I'm half tempted to buy like a instant funded Tradeify. What didn't I like about them? The length of time to get a payout? What was it? By the way, guys, going live on my members only here, on my private Zoom call at solomontrading.com. That's my monthly. So if you're new, want to join up, that's where to go. solomontrading.com. I'm getting my Zoom link ready for members only. Get access to my indicator and 36 plus live trading sessions per month. See if this drops. Drops to here, we're golden. I'd have to switch accounts anyways at that point. What are you doing? I'm putting this in. Send it over to the telegrams. And putting it in school real quick. That song's got to go. That too. See if we can pass more challenges this week and potentially get some more payouts, right? Basically, I think it wants to come up and fill this before dropping, but we'll see. Coming up to fill. That took me out of the $100, so that's no biggie. What you got to be concerned with, if this comes up above this 3 minute and closes, then maybe I get out at break even. So we'll see how this reacts right here. All right, guys, again, I'm going live on SolomonTrading.com right now. I got the Zoom link out to everybody. Hopefully you guys got it. I'm going to jump over there right now. If you want to jump in with me, going live for 2 more hours today and 2 more hours every day this week. Go ahead and go to SolomonTrading.com and join up, and I will see you guys on the live session. All right, guys, God bless. Take care. Back it out.